Welcome back to my channel. So we are doing quadrilaterals, chapter quadrilaterals and parallelograms for standard 8. So in this figure, it's a quadrilateral ABCD is given and CO and DO are the bisectors of angle C. Angle bisectors means that this CO will bisect this angle into two equal parts. That means this angle and these two angles will be equal, and similarly these two angles will be equal. Now you have to prove COD is equal to half of A plus B. So we are going to use the angle sum property of the quadrilateral and also the angle sum property of the triangle. So angle sum property of quadrilateral is sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degrees. You write this here and then you multiply half throughout. So it is half of, so half A plus half B plus half C plus half D equal to half into 360. So now I will pair up these two. I will take half out and A plus B plus now half of C. So these two, half of C will be, these two are equal. So I can write half of C as angle 1 and this is angle 2. Now this is equal to 180 degrees. So let this, name this equation as 1. Now consider this triangle COD, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle O is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property again. So this is, name it as equation 2. Now since these are 180, you can equate the LHS. So is equal to 1 plus 2 plus angle O. So 1 plus 2 get cancelled on both sides. So now angle O is equal to half of angle A plus angle B. So now this problem is related to this. If this question, along with this question, this problem is also asked, then you can simply substitute these values in A and B, 150 in A and B, and find the value of O. Otherwise, it is asked as such without this, then you will have to go through the same procedure here also. So we will start with the same procedure like angle A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. So now 50 angle 1 multiplying throughout by half, then angle half of angle A will be angle 1 and then angle 2 plus half into angle C plus angle D. So this will be together C plus D together will be 100 plus 50, 150. Here you cannot write half of angle C as 50 and half of angle D as 25 because there is no angle bisectors here. Nothing is given. So you have to take half out and then C plus D is equal to, together we have to write it as 150. So please be careful not to write as 25 and 50 here in the place of half of C and half of D. Now this will become 75, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 minus 75 is equal to 105, and APB is equal to angle sum property. So 180 minus 1 plus 2, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 105, and so you get 75. So now substitute this 150 here, 150 by 2 is becomes 75, you get angle O. So both are same. Now here it is given PQRSTU is a regular hexagon. This is very important. Regular hexagon means all the angles and all the sides are equal. Determine each angle of triangle PQT. So here it is given ABCD is a parallelogram, DAO is 40 degrees, BAO is 35 degrees, and then COD is equal to 65 degrees. We have to find angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this since this is a parallelogram, this angle will be equal to angle 3 So angle 3 can be written, angle 3 is equal to angle BAC, alternate interior angles. AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, angle 3 is equal, that is equal to 40 degrees. So, angle 3 is equal to 40 degrees. Now, we have to find angle 2. Angle 2, angle 1. So, angle 3 we have got. Yeah, let us put this as x. Yes, let us put this as x. So, we know this is already given as 35. So, x is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. Again, alternate interior angles. Here AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, x is equal to 35. So, from this we can find angle 2. So, in triangle COD, angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 65 plus x. So, 65 plus x is equal to 100. So, this is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. So, angle 2 is 80. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So, that is equal to 80 degrees. Again, alternate interior angles. So, we have found angle 1, 2, then we have found 3. Now, we have to find angle 4. So, angle 4, so angle 1 plus angle 4 will be equal to, angle B is equal to, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus angle BAD, because these two are parallel and these form angle A plus angle B will form co-interior angles and they are supplementary. So, this is equal to, so BAD is equal to 740 plus 35. So, 180 minus 40 plus 35, 75, that is equal to 105. Angle ABC. Now, we know angle 1 is equal to 80. Therefore, angle 4 is equal to, angle ABC minus angle 1. So, ABC is 105 minus 80. So, angle 4 is equal to 25 degrees. So, angle 1 is equal to 80. So, angle 1 is equal to 80, angle 2 is equal to 80, angle 3 is equal to 35 and angle 4 is equal to 25. Determine the number of sides of a polygon whose exterior and interior angles are in the ratio 1:5. Now, we do not know how many sides, we have to find the number of sides. Now, they have given the ratio of the exterior and interior angles. So, exterior and interior angles form a linear pair. So, you can say x, so exterior angle to interior angle is 1:5. So, interior angle plus exterior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. They form a linear pair. So, it is x plus 5x is equal to 180. So, 6x is equal to 180. So, x is equal to 30. So, from this you can say the exterior angle is x. So, we will write let x be the exterior angle and 5x is the interior angle. So exterior angle is equal to, we have got it as 30. Now we know the formula, sum of all the exterior angles is equal to 360. So 360 divided by the number of sides n will be equal to the exterior angle. So write the formula, 360 exterior angle is equal to 360 by n. From this you can find n is equal to 360 divided by 30 is equal to 36. So number of sides is equal to 12. In a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles are in the ratio 3:5:7:9. Find the angles. So we are going to use the angle sum property. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360. 24x is equal to 360. So from that x is equal to 360 by 24, you get it as 15 degrees. Therefore the angles are 3x is equal to 45, 5x is equal to 75, 7x is equal to 105 and 9x is equal to 135. So the angles are this. These are very straightforward questions. Just put it in the formula. Now here it is given ABCD is a parallelogram and AO and BO are angle bisectors, and we have to find the angle, find angle AOB. So we did a similar problem there. It was angle ABCD was a quadrilateral, but here it is given ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we have to find, and there in quadrilaterals two angles were given, like these two angles were given, and then you had to find this angle. But here nothing is given. It's just given ABCD is a parallelogram, and then we have to find angle AOB. So now we know these two sides are parallel. So angle, this angle will be equal to, this angle plus this angle will become co-interior angles, and they are supplementary. So angle BAD plus angle ABC is equal to 180. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So now half multiply throughout by half. So half of angle BAD plus half of angle ABC is equal to half into 180. Now AO and BO are angle bisectors. So half of angle BAD will become this. Let us give this as angle 1 and let this be angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, now angle AOB will be equal to 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. So 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degrees. So AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Now here find XYZ where ABCD is a parallelogram, and this external angle is given as 70, and now this angle CAD as 40. Now we have to find XY and Z. Now since it's a parallelogram, we can say y is equal to 40. So y is equal to angle DAC, the reason is alternate interior angles. So y is equal to 40 degrees. Now let us give this angle as angle 1. So angle 1 and this angle, exterior angle, they are linear, they form a linear pair. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70, 110. Reason is linear pair. Now, since this is a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. Therefore, x is equal, angle 1 is equal to x. Opposite angles, that is equal to 110. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So, now we got x, we have got y. Now, x, we have to find now z. So, either we can use, with this you can find the angle sum property. Using the angle sum property, you can find the value of z, or we can also use x plus 40 plus z. They form cointerior angles and their adjacent angles are supplementary. So, x plus 40 plus z is equal to 180. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So, from that x is equal to 110 plus 40, 150. So, z is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degrees. Y, then x is equal to 180, x is equal to 110 and z is equal to 30 degrees. So, I will see you with more problems in my next video. So, keep watching, keep practicing. If you like it, please share it with your friends and leave your comments. Bye for now.